How to see TikTok private account videos. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I will be showing you that if we can see TikTok private video or not. So let's find out. So first thing what you want to do is open up your TikTok application and just search in for any private user. So let's say I want this private account over here, and as you can see there is no any direct option to directly view the user's account or the post inside the user. So there are a lot of videos where it says to you to use a third party application or software or like websites to simply copy the username and paste it over there, but it doesn't work. It doesn't work like that because TikTok doesn't support and allow because of their privacy restriction. So you can also see it from over here that to send or to view any private account you have to recommend this method. That means you first have to search for the particular account and send the request first and wait for few moments or few hours depending upon the responders or the private account user, and once they accept your invitation or request you should be able to see their account. And there are alternative way. That means if you do not want to send them follow request, as you can see here crystal clear that TikTok doesn't allow you to view post from a private account without owner accepting your follow request. So that is the whole reason why private account exists. So there can be a different way, that is you can actually ask for your friend who are friends with the private account user and view their account from there. Hope this video was helpful guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.